So, everybody, my name is Rick Silva, and I'm a referral coach. I run networking groups. I teach networking primarily for real estate agents, mortgage lenders, financial planners, dentists, and insurance agents. But the system I created works basically for any small business owner or somebody who wants more referrals. If you want one of these, it's an elevator pitch critique that I do live and then put it on my YouTube channel. It's $99. It's at onereferralaway.com. I'll put the link down below. But right now, this is live. So, I got one shot at getting it right, don't I? Since you guys are watching live, I'm not going to edit this down later. So the only thing I've done so far is I took Nicole's last name out and I took the company name out. But I'm now going to critique Nicole's elevator pitch. And again, I have not read this beforehand. I want you to see real time how I go about doing this. So here's the actual elevator pitch. And always the first thing we want to look at is the number count. So understand that you speak 160 to 180 words a minute. So if you got 60 seconds, you want your elevator pitch between 160 and 180 words. Now in Microsoft Word, in the bottom left-hand corner, is actually a word counter. So if I highlight just the elevator pitch, if you can't see it down there, maybe you can if you look real close, it's 148 words. So I do know I have 30 words to play with. So if I add anything to this elevator pitch, generally I'm subtracting. But if I add anything to this elevator pitch, I've got plenty of room because I got 180 words for Nicole to get her elevator pitch done in 60 seconds. So we're going to start with the beginning. Hi, I'm Nicole with XYZ Human Resources Consulting. I'll put that back in when this is not being recorded. Excuse me. So part 1 of your elevator pitch is your name and company. Part 2 is what you do. Part 3 are the benefits. Part 4 are the word-for-word quotes. I'll say it again. Name and company name. What do you do? What are the benefits? And then the word-for-word quotes to fire the reticular activating system. Again, if you want me to do this for you, I'll put the link down below. It's $99. You'll watch a training video to create this elevator pitch. Then you'll send it to me, and I will critique it for you. So again, hi, I'm Nicole with XYZ Human Resources Consulting. I am a sales representative where we offer a team of human resources experts to help. We're going to make that yellow, and I'll explain why. With all HR needs of a company. To name a few, we specialize in HR consulting, creating and managing handbooks and onboarding and offboarding, benefit administration, file audits, and special projects. People who are in this industry or business owners are going to understand what that is. Now, we're going to fix that one. Anything that's yellow, we're going to fix. These are jumping out at me right away, and I'll explain. Let's just fix these, and I'm going to explain why we're going to fix them. So when you're in a networking group or in a networking event, the number one goal is to never sell to your referral partners. And if you're in a referral group, it's to not sell to your referral partners. So using the words you and your, this would be perfect if you're meeting with a potential client to say you and your. When you're in a networking group, you don't want to say you and your because that you're kind of accidentally pitching the group. So what we're going to do, we're going to fix this and make this an elevator speech specifically for your referral partners. And in that case, you don't want to sell to them. So I'm a sales representative. We offer a team of human resources consult to help our clients. So let me move a microphone all the way. Our clients with all of their, with all the HR needs of their company. To name a few, we specialize in, we already did that. We'll find ways to create processes that will fit their company culture and will always be, and we will always be their personal resource to make their day-to-day work less stressful. We also ensure that our clients' company stays compliant to avoid costly fees. So what we did is we took the direct sales out of it and we made it more passive where we're talking about other people, so it's not so much in their face. A perfect client for you would be someone. So remember, no matter what business you're in, your client title is never going to be someone or anybody or someone that or anybody who. In this case, because this is HR consulting, you're generally going to be wanting to talk to the business owner. So we're going to change this. I'm going to go. Yeah, the perfect client for me would be if you hear So the perfect client would be if you hear a client or a business owner say any of the following. Let me fix this. I can't get that space out of there. Interesting. Okay. Perfect client would be who says any of the following. So now I'm going to turn this into more of a bullet pointed thing. So when Nicole wants to read this in front of the group, it's ready to go. So right now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. And again, if you want me to do this for you, just go to one referral away and you'll see elevator pitch critique there. I'm trying to get there. It goes, no spacing. So here's what we have down here. Remember, we want word for word quotes that are going to fire the retake your activating system in your referral partner. So you're saying this to someone. The perfect client for me would be if you hear a client or a business owner saying the following: I struggle with day-to-day HR tasks. I'm having issues with managing my employees. I have an influx of hires that I need to bring on board. I'm going through a financial crisis and I need to lay off employees. This is so good. I'm not changing a word. And then good power partners are IT professionals, CPAs, attorneys, and bookkeepers. We are sitting on almost pure perfection now. So I'm going to set a timer here. And I did mention to you that it's 160 to 180 words to get this done in 60 seconds. So if we highlight this, you'll see down in the corner, we're at 160. So this should be no problem getting done in 60 seconds. In fact, I'm not even going to go super fast, but here's your final almost perfect elevator pitch for a networking group. I'm going to hit start and then I'm going to read it. Hey, everybody, my name is Nicole with XYZ Human Resources Consulting. I'm a sales representative where we offer a team of human resources experts to help our clients with all HR needs for their company. To name a few, we specialize in HR consulting, creating and managing handbooks, onboarding and offboarding, benefit administration, file audits, and special projects. We will find ways to create processes that fit their company culture and will always be their personal resource to make their day-to-day work less stressful. We will always ensure that our client's company stays compliant to avoid costly fees, lawsuits, all that kind of good stuff. The perfect client for me would be if you hear a friend or family member or a client or a business owner saying the following: I struggle with the day-to-day HR tasks. I'm having issues with managing my employees. I have an influx of hires that I need to bring on board. I'm going through a financial crisis and I may need to lay off a couple employees or multiple employees. I'm going to hit stop. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to show you the timer. We got it done in less than 60 seconds, didn't we? Boom, 54 seconds. Perfect. So part one, elevator pitch. Part one of your elevator pitch is your name and company name. Part two, what do you do? Part three, let me pull it back up and say that again. Part one is name and company name. Part two, what do you do? Part three, benefits. Part four, word for word quotes. And then to end it with power partners. If you want this done for yourself, go to onereferralaway.com. It's $99. You watch a training video, you type it, you send it to me, and I'll critique it live just like this. Get you a copy, put the video on YouTube if you want all that. Go to One Referral Away. Keep on networking. See you soon. Bye-bye.